Hi, in this video I will show you how to use category mapping so that you can sort out the products within your manual collections. I must note that category mapping is used only when you are sorting the products within manual collections, not smart collections. For smart collections, you simply use tags when segregating the products within collections. Let's start. With category mapping, you have two options to add the mapping. You can just add mapping by choosing the retailer category, which is brands gateways category, assigning the gender to the product, and then assigning it to the dropshipper category, which is your manual collection. Or you have another option of doing so. It's select all categories, which will select all the brands gateways categories, which you will need to map with a gender and then assign it to your category. You can choose whichever method you would like to perform the category mapping, and then at the end you simply click save or reset mapping so that everything is reset like it was before. Thank you for watching.